As the presidency, we are also here to hear what must be done from our side to resolve bottlenecks and other challenges.
Umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa uthi ihlelo elitsha likahulumende lokuvakatshela imfundo lizokusiza ekuthuthukiseni izenzelwa zomphakathi.
We're closing this one because the team from the municipality that is responsible for that must definitely do that. We're going to confiscate the food that you find here that is expired.
Usomkhandlu wezempilo eGauteng uNomantunkomo Ralihuku uyafunga ukuthi uyozivala impasa ezingalandeli umthetho.
I want to congratulate you and wish you the best, not to concede to having lost the election through a democratic process that we've always subscribed to.
Umengameli weBotswana uphumako esikhundleni uMogwetsi Masisi uthokozise umholi we-UDC uDumaboko ngokuphumelela emakhethweni. Senamukela endabeni zesiNdebele lapha ku SABC 1 akwande isitshaba sekosi. Umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa uthi ihlelo elitsha likahulumende lokuvakatshela imfundo lizokusiza ekuthuthukiseni izenzelwa zomphakathi. uRamaphosa kunye nabongqongqotshi abambalwa bekhabhinethi babambe umhlangano wokuthoma namalungu aphezulu womkhandlu weLimpopo ePolokwane. Umhlangano lo uthwaya ukuthoma kwamahlelo aphakathi kwahulumende nemfundo ukwenzela ukusebenzisana kibohulumende ngokwengaba zabo.
Ihlelo eli ngelizeni umengameli ngemva kokuhlonywa kukahulumende wehlandla lekhomba ongaphasi kobujamo obuhlukileko bepolitiki. Ukuhlanganyela nemfunda ngomnqopho wokuthuthukisa izinga lempilo lamaSewula Afrika kulindeleke ukuthi kube yinto ejayelekileko kwanje. eLimpopo uRamaphosa kunye nabongqongqotshi bekhabhinethi abasebenza ngaphasi kohulumende webumbano bahlanganyele ndawonye nabaphathi abaphezulu bomkhandlu wesibethamthetho seLimpopo. Ihloso yokuhlanganyela ndawonye kwekhabhinethi nemfunda kuvulela amahlelo wemfunda indlela yokuchinga phambili eminyakeni emihlanu ezako.
Today is quite a significant day as well as a historic day in many respects. Firstly, it marks the start of a program by the national executive of our country to visit all the provinces of our country in the coming months and to engage directly with the provincial government leadership. Secondly, it is the first high-level bilateral engagement of this nature with provinces under the 7th administration and under the government of national unity.
uRamaphosa ukholwa bona ukwabelana ngemibono kwakahulumende ngokuhlukahlukana kwengaba zakhe kuzokuletha izisombululo zentshijilo ezikhona.
As the presidency, we are also here to hear what must be done from our side to resolve bottlenecks and other challenges. We hope to be able to engage with you on how the ongoing structural reform processes, those that we are driving at national level through Operation Vulindlela, affects the areas of your work.
Isifunda seLimpopo siqalene nemiraro eminingi ngehlangothini lokulethwa kwezenzelwa zomphakathi ezifana namanzi kunye nesibalo esiphezulu sokuhlokeka kwemisebenzi.
Your visit signifies a commitment to our province and a recognition of the vast potential that lies within our borders. However, despite these abundant resources and opportunities, we must acknowledge the challenges we face. Limpopo remains one of the poorest and the most rural province in our country.
Kulindeleke ukuthi umhlangano omunye ophakathi kwabaholi bemfunda nekhabhinethi ubanjelwe esifundeni saKwaZulu-Natal.
Njengomana ihlangano eneminyaka eli-11 yasungulwa iEFF yokubamba iconference yokukhetha ubuholi obutsha, izazi zibuza bona ingakani ukukhamba kwamanye wamalunga wehlangano le kuzokuba nomthelela onjani ehlanganweni le. Kulindeleke bona kungaphikiswa ukukhetha kukaJulius Malema njengomengameli weEFF, kodwana kuzokukhethwa abaholi abatsha ukusiza ukuthuthukisa ihlangano le. Isazi sezepolitiki uVusi Gumbi uthi ukholwa bona nanyana abaheruka abaholi behlangano le lokhu kungajugululwa yiconference yokubanjwa ngoNobayeni.
FIFA
Ihlangano EFF ineminyaka engaphezulu kwe-10 yasungulwa kanti itshengisa ukuba namandla kakhulu kwezepolitiki. Yaba sebujameni besithathu ehelweni lenhlangano zepolitiki ezidosa phambili elizweni elimi. Kodwa nanyana kunjalo isusebujameni bayo ihlangano esanda kusungulwa i-MK Party ngemva kwamakhetho kawoke wanonyaka. Kanti njengoba nakusele imveke ezimbalwa ngaphambi kokubanjwa kweconference yokukhetha ubuholi obutsha, ihlangano le iqalele nomraro wokukhamba kukaFloyd Shivambu ongomunye wabasunguli behlangano le nolimi indima enkulu ehlanganweni le.
I will join and participate in umkhonto wesizwe party.
uShibambu akusiyo yedwa ukhambileko umzwanele manye kunye nomvikelo womphakathi walokhu ubisisiwe Mkhwebana nabo bakhambile bangena ku-MK Party.
Since Floyd left, I've seen so many parading of people on the social media.
Konke lokhu kwenzeka nje ihlangano lezilungiselela ukuyokubamba iconference yokukhetha ubuholi obutsha. Kanombuzo uthi kuzokuba nomthelelo njani ihlanganweni lokukhamba kwabaholi bayo.
From a public point of view or from a perception point of view, the EFF is a bleeding political party. In reality, that might not be the case because they only lost 1%. They only lost 5 seats in the National Assembly. But on the public eye, the perception is that they are a bleeding political party.
Kanje ngoba nawo kamehlo aqala ubujamo behlangano le umengameli wehlangano le utshengisa ukungaphela amandla kwezepolitiki. Kanti omunye umbuzo abantu abazibuza wona ngoba ingakhani konke lokhu ukutsho ukwa kwehlangano le namkha sesijijile sokudlula naso khulukhulu ngomba nanako ukuza amakhetho wabohulumende bemakhaya. Ugumbe uthi lokhu akusikuphela kwe-EFF kodwa na ihlangano le ingasebenzisa iconference ezako le ukuvuselela isithunzi sayo kwezepolitiki. Kanti enye indaba mraro ihlangano leqalene nayo ukuvala kwesikhundla esithiwe nguFloyd Shivambu.
Usomkhandlu wezempilo eGauteng uNomantunkomo Ralihuku uyafunga ukuthi uyozivala impaza ezingalandeli umthetho. Usomkhandlu bedosa phambili isichema esihlola ukuphepha kokudla ekuruleni eGauteng. Ijimeli liza ngemva komlandelande wezehlakalo zokugulisa imikhiqizo yokudla ethengwe impaza. Kunokuthonyeka nangokuthi ezinye zentolwezi zithengisa ukudla okudlulele isikhathi. Okhunye akwaziwa nokuthi kukhiqizwe izinkampani ziphi.
Ijimeli lihlola ukuphepha kokudleli linqopha ukufundisa abanikazi bempaza ngokucakatheka kokulandela ingaba zokuphepha kokudla emakhiweni wamabhizinisi abo. Isitolo ekuthonyekisa ukuhlola inkhulu ziveza okuningi okuphambene nomthetho.
Within 28 days you'll be done with it.
I think before 28 days I'll make everything done.
And we hear that you also sleep.
No, now I understand now is we can make is extra room somewhere and we can sleep there. We can sleep inside shop.
Gibo lobu bujamo besitolo buthusa kubo. Umnikazi esitolo ubekela amalanga ama-29 ukuthi ahlalise izinto ngefanelo. Nokho benechudo ngomani isitolo eso akhange sivalwe.
If you look at the staff shop, it's not in compliance with the health requirements because regarding the storage of the food and regarding the occupation, it is staying at the back of the premises. No occupation of the premises is allowed. You can't stay on the premises.
Usomkhandlu wezempilo eGauteng ufunga ulala phasi ngomhlana uthi impaza ezingalandela umthetho zizokuvalwa. Lokhu njengomane eziningi zifunyane bona azilandeli umthetho. Ezinye zithengisa ukudla okudlulelwe isikhathi okungabangela ingozi yokugula okubangelwa ukudla kulabo abakudlako.
We're closing this one because the team from the municipality that is responsible for that must definitely do that. We're going to confiscate the food that you find here that has expired. Amasi, there is milk, there is chips, there is some meat that is there, including the fish that we found that is in the spaza shop.
Nakusenjalo izakhamuzi zeduduze ezisilingekileko zithethe ithuba lokufika kwenkhulu zembusweni eli zazwakalisa inlilo ngokuvalelwa ngaphandle emsebenzini ekhutshwa nguhulumende. Unkomo Ralihuku uthi mva nje bafuna nokusebenzisana nenkhulu zehlangano ezimphathi amandla zemthetho yemikhiqizo yezempilo isapha ngoma nabafumene ukuthi kunemchoke engakafaneli ethengiswa kezinye impaza zendawo.
Umdlali weSikhukhune United uShaun Mogaila ubheyiliswe ngenkulungwana ezima-20 wamaranda ekhotho kaMagistrata weThembisa. Umdlali webhola waziwa lo uqalene necala lokubulala ngakahlozi ngemva kobana ikoloyi ekusolwa bona bekayitshayela itshayisa enye ikoloyi ngelesithathu nakuzabhubha umntwana weminyaka eli-9 ubudala. Amapholisa afumene utshwala, isango kunye neputshana ekusolwa bona zindakamizwa ngekoloyini ebekayitshayela. Umndweni womntwana obhubhele engozini le ulimele ngesahluko isahlulelo sekhotho ukholwa bona umsola uzokuraga kamnandi ngempilo ikibe bona balahlekelwe.
Ivideo efoto yikhamera ngekoloyini eveza inkolo ezitshayisana bunqopha ithusa amaSouth Africa. uSean Mukhayila weminyaka ema-29 ubudala kusola bona nguye bekatshayela isibaya esekoloyisini. Bekatshayela ngehlangothini lendlela ekufanele atshayele ngakilo. Ikolo yakhe nayiza kuya ngakwelinye ihlangothi yatshayisana nekolo yenye le. Kwabhubha umntazinyana weminyaka eli-9 ubudala, kanti unina lomntazinyana lo nomunye umsana weminyaka eli-13 ubudala basehudini labagula khulu esibhedlela. uMakhayila uqalene namacala okubulala ngakahlosi.
Accused is actually for the charge of culpable homicide, second count of contravening the provisions of section 61, subsection 1C of the National Road Traffic Act 93 of 1996, that is failure to render assistance after an accident, and the last count of reckless and negligent driving.
Amalungu omndeni womntwana ubhubhileko adane khulu ngokubheliswa komdlalo webholo lo bakhombela ikhotho bona iqinise isandla nayimjezisako ukuthi angasathoma atshayele budlapha ngomuso.
I'll never be happy country. I'll never be happy country. He must get the punishment of what he has done. So that I don't honor Lena Gausana Rutebana Ore. How we it's into Tamaka Koluta Woods about Tulabatu Bulabato.
Ikhothi izebona uMkhayila akanawo amacala aphambili angeke abaleka ngesiphaphambili bekuthi ikheli lakhe liqinisekiswe amapholisa yingakho ikhothi imbhelise ngezi-20,000 icaleli liyithiliswe umhla ka-4 kuMhlolanja ngomnyaka ozako. Umndeni kaNgazimbi ubethekile, impilo yabo ijugulukela unomphela.
Abahloli bomnyango wezemisebenzi nezokuqashwa kwabasebenzi bathole ukuthi umakhiwo wekhotho ephakemeko yeMpumalanga Nelspruit awusisebujameni obuhle begoda ukaphephi. Bathi kunengongoyilo ezimbalwa ebezivela malungana nomakhiwo lo. Ikhotho le yakhiwa ngo-2013 bekulindelwe ukuthi ukwakhiwa kwayo kuthathe iminyaka emibili kodwa yaqedwa ukwakhiwa ngo-2018 ngemali ebalelwa ku-800 million rands.
Uphumile umlayo ochinga eminyangweni wezobulungiswa nokuthuthukisa kwezomthethosisekelo omalungana nokuthi uhlele ngefanele umsebenzi wawo mayelana nomakhiwo wekhotho. Malungana nekhotho evulwe ngokusemthethweni ngo-2019 kodwa ngemva kweminyaka emihlanu nje kwaphela nakhu sekutholakala ukuthi umakhiwo lo awusisebujameni ofaneleko, njeke kukhonjelwa ukuthi uvalwe.
The reason why we ended up prohibiting the building is because the ceiling is collapsing, and this poses immediate danger to anyone who is in and around that area. Those that work there and those that would come there to access some kind of service. We also found that there's poor plumbing work was done. The pipes are leaking.
Umnyango wezobulungiswa nokuthuthukisa kwezomthethosisekelo uyawamukela lo mbiko obuyako wemiphumela.
Any of those offices that are affected, that do not have windows, that do not have air conditioning working on them, have been evacuated. So colleagues have been placed in other offices that have been vacant in this building. So the inspector who came here also clarified the issue to us that they are giving us 5 days to deal with those issues.
Umnyango wezobulungiswa wanikelwa isitifiketi selungelo lokusebenza kule khotho ngo-2019. uRamathikiti uthi basemahlelweni wokuhlangabezana nemfuno zekambiso lawulo lokusebenza ezifungelwe kule sitifiketi.
Nasibuya entolo.
We are committed to providing accurate, secure and responsibly managed data that respects the protection of personal information while upholding the dignity of the children involved.
Namhlanje kuhlekihle isivumelwano sokuthi abazokuqolodiswa labo ababhalelwa kukondla bendaba. Zisakhona indaba mbukeli kanina zikuphundileko uyazithola ku YouTube, SABC Plus, TikTok na ku Facebook. Umengameli weBotswana uphuma kwesikhundleni uMogwetsi Masisi uthokozise umholi we-UBC uDumaboko ngokuphumelela emakhethweni ngemva kokuthi iBotswana Democratic Party lobe khulu emakhethweni asanda ukubanjwa la. uMasisi uthembise ukuthi uzokuletha amajuguluko emazweni abomakhelwana. iBDP yathoma ukubusa solo kwangomnyaka ka-1966 ngemva kokufumana ichaphuluko ngaphasi kokubuswa lelizwe leBritain.
Umengameli uMasisi wamukele ukuloba emakhethweni abajiye namaduma kazi ihlangano iBotswana Democratic Party ibuselizweneli ngaphezulu kweminyaka ema-60. Ihlangano iUDC ithumbe ngamavoti amaningi kanti abalandeli behlangano le babonakale bathabile endaweni ezihlukeneko eBotswana. uMasisi uphefumule ngalindlela nakabuzwa ngekusasa lehlangano yakhe.
I said first it's an internal party matter. 2, we have a central committee meeting tomorrow. 3, depending on the decision of the Central Committee, we will dialogue with Mandongara. It's really a PDP matter, right? But as for me, I think I was quite quick to say I wasn't interested. I would not be seeking re-election.
uMasisi uthokozise uBoko ngokuthumba amakhetho.
I want to congratulate you and wish you the best. I'm going to concede to having lost the election through a democratic process that we've always subscribed to. And thank Botswana for the very peaceful manner in which they conducted this election. Thank all parties that participated, including my own and members.
Nakusenjalo abaphosilihle bamakhetho besadeki kunye ne-AU nezinye zithi amakhetho la abe makhetho anokuthula nahlelekileko wange-Afrika engesewula.
The African Center for Governance Election Observation Mission has found that the elections were conducted according to the law. The elections were conducted in a peaceful environment. The elections were conducted in a free, fair and transparent manner.
Ababelethi ababhalelwa umsebenzi wabo kondla abantwana babo bayeleliswa. Ungqongqotjhe wezobulungiswa nezokuthuthukiswa komthethosisekelo uThemsile Similani utlikihle incwadi yesivumelwano ezokwenza bona imininingwana yomuntu owephula ikambiso yokondla umntwana idlulisole ezikweni lamahelo wabantu abangabhadele inkwelete ngefanelo credit bureaus ezokwenza kube budisi ukuthi umuntu athenge impahla ngesikwelete. uSimilani utlikihle isivumelwano neConsumer Profile Bureaus neSocial Justice Foundation namhlanje.
Ikambiso kwelusi ezokusetshenziswa ukulandelela abangondliko ngokusebenzisa ihelo le-inthanethi. Imininingwane yabantu abavezwe njengalabo ababhalelwa kondla umntwana izokudlulisela ezikweni eliphethe ihelo labantu abangabhadeli inkweleto ngefanelo. Bese bona-ke bazokwenza bona imininingwana le ivele kiwo wonke amahelo aveza abantu ababhalelwa kubhadela inkwelete ngefanelo kunye nendawo ezibolekisa ngemali namkha ezinikela umuntu impahla ngesikwelete. Kodwana kunabaqothelweko.
So our target is to first start with the 100% non-compliant, 80% and above non-compliance into the court orders. So we're going to put them into an online system which will allow us to engage with you as a mother or a father who is a custodian, and sometimes grandparents, a custodian of maintenance, possibly in the absence of one.
Thumelwanesi siza ngemva kwemkhulumisano yokufuna isisombululo malungana nesondlo ebe ibanjwe ngomgwengweni wanonyaka. Iveza ukuqakatheka kokusebenzisana nokubambisana ekuletheni insombululo malungana nentshijilo ezihlobana nokuqiniswa kwemithetho yokondla abantwana.
Our mission for the digital transformation of family services has been guided by a single goal: to close the gap between maintenance courts, service providers and the credit industry. We are committed to providing accurate, secure and responsibly managed data that respects the protection of personal information while upholding the dignity of the children involved.
Umuntu obhalelwa kubhadela imali yokondla etlole phasi ukuthi ayibhadele uzokubekwa icala lobulelesi begodwa nakangabotshwa uzokuhlawuliswa namkha agwetshwe ahlale ejele. Umnyango uthi iphethiwe imiraro ezinkulungwane ezima-38 zokondliwa kwabantwana kilomnyaka wemali elizweni zombelele.
Kezimali iranda liqinile nalinganiswa nezinye imali ezikulu. Umbanduli we-Kaizer Chiefs uNasir uthi abasengaphasi kwegandelelo lokuthumba imbhigiri okwanje basalinga ukubuyisa isithunzi samakhosi njengalokhu yaphambilini nakasesezingkutani. iChiefs yokubambana neMamelodi Sundowns kuma-quarter final we-calling knockout e-FNB Stadium kusasa Iindaba. Akwande Sibu batsho msi umakhiwo wekhotho ephakemeko yeMpumalanga ukaphephi.
Siyathokoza Bongwe, mbala kunjalo ngemva kweminyaka emihlanu umakhiwo loya uvuliwe ukuthi kungasetshenzwa kiwo. Okuvela namhlanje kungukuthi awukaphephi ukuthi abasebenzi bangasebenzela kiwo. Umphakathi endaweni yesomaphepha ngaphandlenyana kuMiddelburg kumasipala weSteve Tshwete kuvela ukuthi pheze sekuyinyanga batsho amanzi abanawo. Ngale kwalokho siyokutsheja lezi zomdlalo omkhulu iKaizer Chiefs kusasa idlala neMamelodi Sundowns batsho amatikiti-ke aphelile emdlalweni lo. Ngizo-ke indaba esiziphetheko intambama namhlanje. Siyathokoza.
Zanamhlanje indaba ziphelela lapha akube yiphela veke ephephileko. Ngikho bongile.